Hello, this is something that you must have. This is a precision screwdriver. It has easy access to 40 screwdriver bits. It is very convenient. Also have these magnets that hold everything on the same place. It's a very strong magnet. This one in particular has a smooth rotation and the anti-slip design. Also has a magnetic tray that can hold the small screw secure and also easy to access. And when we talk about access, there is sometimes that we cannot reach certain places, and this one in particular comes with an additional extension for those hard to access places. It has a convenient flexibility for hard places to reach. With this over than 40 screwdriver bits, you won't need to have any other set. This is very complete. You won't need any other set of tools because with this one, you will have it all. It is very compact. It is almost like the size of a phone, so you can easily carry it on your pocket or in your bag. You will love it. I love it already.